Hello. Now I'm gonna tell about my family tradition. Family tradition is playing fireworks. So let's start from the very beginning. Why do we play fireworks? In ancient China, there's this monster called the Nian. He used to come to the village to terrorize people, eat livestock. So people are really scared of him. They bar into their own house. They lock their doors to overcome the very first day of the new year where the monster comes. One day, this old man that came. During his presence, Nian didn't come. Finally, he admitted to the villagers as he's a god. He's been repelling the Nian the whole time. One day, the god has to leave. He has duties other place else. The villagers are really worried. The Nian is coming back again. So the god told them 3 ways to repel the Nian. He's scared of 3 things. One is the color red. Secondly is loud noises. Thirdly is strange creatures. So with this knowledge, the villagers decorated their house with red, then bring out all their drums and pots and pans, everything. They create loud noises together with, this is the origin of the lion dance. Lion dance was originated here. It was supposed to portray as a strange creature. The Nian was scared away and it never returned. So let's go to the main topic. My family in the past, we are not rich. We are fine. We are not too poor. We are fine. So in the past, we just decorate our homes in red, play small fireworks, have reunion dinners. This is what we do last time. So in the present day, where everyone got more wealth and they have access to bigger fireworks, my uncle, every year he'll bring fireworks for us to play. This not only applies to us, my family, but instead the whole street celebrates it too. So what I hope in the future is decrease the use of fireworks. The use of fireworks now has become a problem. There's smoke everywhere. It gives problems, respiratory problems. So yeah, I wish we could reduce the amount of fireworks used. Go back to our moderate ways. Last time we played little fireworks. And that's all. The end. Thank you.